Hi guys, what's up? Today, I'm recording this video to talk to you, who is probably someone who has always struggled with weight loss and you just don't know what else you can do to actually lose weight. Well, in this video, I will bring the solution for you, and that is Puravive. This is a new supplement that can literally change your body because it targets the root cause of your problems. Okay, so in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Puravive. I will tell you how it works in your body, the benefits, its formula. But a really big warning, and the most important part of this video, I will tell straightforward, and that is where to order this supplement from because there are many people selling fake products on the internet that may harm your health or you are just putting your money to waste. So, I'm going to leave the link to the official Puravive website in this video's description, and it is crucial that you order only from there to actually get the original supplement. So, Puravive is the only supplement in the market right now that has a super unique and powerful formula of 8 amazing ingredients for your body, such as propolis, white cream and many nutrients and vitamins that will actually target your low brown adipose tissue levels, because recent studies have discovered that when you have low brown adipose tissue levels, your body will just store fat because the brown adipose tissue is what transforms your fats into energy. So, that's what Puravive is going to do for you. Okay, so you will actually lose weight, your metabolism will be boosted, and you'll have much more energy. It will also support your digestive system and your overall health, so there really are many benefits in it for you and no harms to your health since it is science-backed. It has no contradictions for anyone who wants to try it. Okay, and it is also super simple to take. All you're going to do is take one capsule of Puravive every day, ideally for at least 3 to 6 months so that your body can adapt to the supplement, and then you'll get more optimized results. So, I highly suggest that you take it on their official website. Either the 3-bottle option or the 6-bottle option so that you can have the full treatment in your hands. You'll also get discounts, free shipping, and amazing bonuses for you. Okay, so it really is a great deal right there on the official website, so you can check out all the offers, and you'll also see that you are backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. So, that's super great for you guys, but I highly doubt that you will have to use it because it really has been working for many people. Okay, many people have already tried, and they are super satisfied with their results. So, I really see no harm in giving it a chance. Okay, don't waste any more time and start now. Ingredients and benefits of Puravive your treatment. Okay, take a look right there on the official website to get more information about the supplement. Everything, but you can leave your doubts right there in the comments because I'll do my best to respond to all of you. Okay, thank you for listening to me, and I hope you have a great week, guys. Goodbye.